So in the last class, we have discussed about the symbol also. In operational amplifier, most important point to remember is we have two inputs. One input is known as this one, inverting input, which is represented by minus. Another input is non-inverting input, which is represented by plus. So minus one is known as inverting input and plus one is known as non-inverting input. Actually मैं revise इसलिए करा रही हूँ because we have few students who are attending first class. So this is important to remember that in operational amplifier we have two inputs. One is inverting, another one is non-inverting. Inverting is represented by minus symbol, non-inverting is represented by plus symbol, and one output V0. One output V0. And as you all are, operational amplifier can be connected in two different configuration. Op-amp can be connected in two different configurations. One is known as, just first try to understand what I am explaining. After that, start writing. Okay. The first configuration is known as inverting amplifier configuration. Inverting amplifier configuration. Whatever I am writing on the screen, you all need to write it on your notebook. Okay. Classwork notebook. Can be connected in two ways. One is known as inverting amplifier. Another one is known as, obviously, non-inverting amplifier. Non-inverting amplifier. So first we will start discussing inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier. Now this is the diagram of inverting amplifier. How you will draw this diagram? Just draw one triangle like this, op-amp symbol, minus and plus. Draw with me. Okay, I am drawing this diagram on the screen also for your reference. Okay, we are having two inputs, minus input and plus input. Always remember that in case of inverting amplifier case, obviously this terminal is grounded. This plus one terminal is grounded. So first ground this terminal because we are drawing the diagram for inverting amplifier configuration. Okay.
Ma'am, inverting.
After that, in inverting configuration or in non-inverting configuration, what we are going to use? We are going to use one feedback resistance. What is the meaning of feedback? What is the meaning of feedback? When some of the output portion is connected with the input, that is known as feedback. So this feedback resistor is mostly referred to as RF. RF. So there is a one feedback resistor here. After that, because this is the inverting case, so what we are going to do, we are going to apply this input voltage to inverting terminal through resistor R1. So what we are going to connect, now we are going to connect input voltage, this V in, this sign, this is showing the sine waveform. Means sine input is applied to the inverting terminal through resistor R1. Okay. Is this diagram clear? Everyone has drawn this diagram. We are going to mark the current directions. So here we can see, so the input, this is the input supply voltage. So we can mark this as I1. Okay. Now this current can be marked as I2. At this node, current will be divided in two parts, I2 and I3. We can apply KCL. Do you remember KCL and KVL theorems? Kirchhoff's voltage law, Kirchhoff's voltage law and Kirchhoff's current
हाँ
law?
मैम,
Yes.
yes
So
मैम,
as per the KCL, what we can write? We can write I1 is equals to I2 plus I3. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next is output voltage V0. We can write V0 like this. How? We know that gain is always equals to output voltage upon input voltage. This I have explained in last classes also. Output voltage upon input voltage. So here we can write output voltage is equals to gain into input voltage. Gain into input voltage. Okay. Clear? Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here we have written as VID. Why we have written as VID? If we apply these voltages, what we are
Difference, ma'am.
yes, difference voltage of the two input voltages. Here we have marked this terminal voltage as V1 and this terminal voltage as V2. So VID क्या होता था? VID was the difference between these two voltages V1 minus
V1 minus V2.
V2. इसको हम क्या कहते
V1
थे?
minus V2.
VID. Yes, इसको हम कहते थे VID. So here we can write that VID is equals to, here we can write VIN or VID. VID is equals to, क्या हो जाएगा? VID is equals to V0 upon A and मैंने कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पढ़ाया था आपको, तो वहां पे बताया था फॉर आइडियल ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर दिस वोल्टेज गेन इज इनफाइनाइट. In case of ideal operational amplifier, this voltage gain is infinite. तो अगर मैंने यहाँ पे infinite put किया तो VID को मैं क्या लिख सकती हूँ? VID can be written as this V1 minus V2. Okay, तो V1 minus
Yes,
V2 is
ma'am.
equals to क्या हो जाएगा? मैं अगर इसको infinity put कर दूं तो V1 minus V2 is equals to क्या हो जाएगा? जीरो हो जाएगा. जीरो हो
Yes,
जाएगा
ma'am.
ना? तो जब जीरो हो जाएगा,
Yes, ma'am.
here we can write that V1 is equals to V2. This point is very important. और V1 V2 क्या है? जो टर्मिनल इन्वर्टिंग पे ये वाला वोल्टेज है. V1 V2 हमारा ये V2 से रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं एंड दिस V1. आप अगर इसको V1 और V2 लिखते हो तो आपको फिर V2 माइनस V1 लिखना होगा एज पर जैसे भी आप यहाँ पे नोटेशन दे रहे हो. ठीक है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पे आपको ये इक्वेशन क्लियर हो गया कि ये कैसे आया? V1 माइनस V2 इक्वल्स टू 0 होके V1 इज इक्वल्स टू V2. यहाँ तक क्लियर हो जो रेड से लिखा मैंने? अब क्लियर सबको? तो डायग्राम बनाना होगा. अगर आता है मेरे पास तो ये 2-3 लाइन का डेरिवेशन करके 1 लाइन में डेफिनेशन नोट डाउन करके और ये डायग्राम बनाना पड़ेगा जिसमें मुझको ये डॉटेड लाइन बनानी होंगी जो ये शो करेगा कि वर्चुअल शॉर्ट है. और नेक्स्ट इज इतना कॉन्सेप्ट देने के बाद मेरे को कोई एक्सप्लेन कर सकता है कि वर्चुअल ग्राउंड क्या होता होगा? जितना मैंने बता दिया इससे कोई भी बता सकता है कि वर्चुअल ग्राउंड क्या होता होगा? जल्दी से. वर्चुअल ग्राउंड कोई नहीं बता पाएगा. सिंपल है भाई कि जब दोनों टर्मिनल वर्चुअल शॉर्ट है. वर्चुअल शॉर्ट मतलब अगर मैंने V1 पे फॉर एग्जांपल 5 वोल्ट दिया होता तो V2 पे भी 5 वोल्ट ही अपीयर होता बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन V1 इक्वल्स टू V2. लेकिन मैंने यहाँ पे इन केस ऑफ वर्चुअल ग्राउंड V1 को क्या कर रखा है? विदाउट एनी फिजिकल कनेक्शन with wire. In case of virtual ground, potential at that terminal becomes as ground terminal without any connection with wire. Okay, तो दिस इज वर्चुअल ग्राउंड. तो दो कॉन्सेप्ट मैंने पढ़ाया आज की क्लास. दो डिफरेंट चीज पढ़ाई मैंने आपको. एक मैंने आपको क्या बताया, first we have discussed that operational amplifier can be connected in three configuration basically. One is inverting, two is non-inverting, three third one I will explain in later classes, but that is known as differential amplifier configuration. Differential, when input is applied in both the inputs, when input is applied in both the input. So first we are discussing in detail this inverting amplifier condition. Before starting proper